Hey guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Cook babies. Oh. She wants to turn and see. Or not.
Don't get involved in my space, please.
Look at this guy. Yeah. How cute.
So cute.
Odin finally is okay with being around her again.
Yeah, it took a week, but he looks like he's now comfortable again.
Such precious babies. I wish we had gotten it when they were still, when she was stretched out backwards.
Yeah, but
Well, we have it on that thing.
it's post-dinner time, so they're just relaxing now.
Yeah. Look at him.